Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your VK account in 2025. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have already downloaded the VK app on your device. Once that's done, go ahead and open the app. You'll land on the sign in page. Now here you'll need to type in the phone number or email address that's linked to your account. Once you have done that, click on login. Next, click on the option that says forgot password or don't have one yet. This will take you to the next step. Again, enter the phone number or email address associated with your account and click continue. And this point, you will receive a call from VK. The call will give you a code. Just type the last 4 digits of that number. You will also need to enter capture code on the screen. Once you have done that, click send. Now you'll be asked to create a new password for your account. If you want to sign out your VK account on the devices, you can toggle that option here. After you have entered your new password, click continue, and that's it. Your VK account will be successfully recovered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.